SSV Academy for Skill, a PowerPoint presentation on process planning, cutting parameter under the trade of machine technicians, in which that what is the future scope of machine technicians and what is the capability of machine technician in the trade. Now our first slide is go towards introduction. In introductory part, there is a contents of process planning, cutting parameter, machine operation, performance marking, and CNC part programming. Now what is process planning and where it is used? A process is described as a set of steps that results in a specific outcome. It converts input into output. Process planning is also called as manufacturing planning, material processing, process engineering, and machine routing. Means in that process planning, which includes various machining processes like grinding, milling, boring, drilling, which are stepped together to find out a product or to final a product. Means as a discussion in definition in we will discuss a diagram. There is showing a design part, machine tool, and scheduling and production control. In process planning, there is all the parameters are covered in process planning. Now second is which type of cutting parameter or how many cutting parameters are covered in machine technicians or in the process planning. Learn the basic about metal cutting parameter, material machinability. The machinability of material decide how easy or difficult it is to cut. It is to cut to material. And then cutting tool material, cutting speed, spindle speed, depth of cut, feed rate, tool geometry, coolant, machine, spindle, and power. In machine spindle power, we will calculate power by using P equal to 2 pi nt upon 60. Means P is equal to 2 pi nt divided by 60 into 1000, which is in kilowatt. That is calculate power. In also cutting speed and spindle speed, depth of cut, feed rate, cutting tool material. Which type of materials are used in cutting tool? Basically, which is cement carbide cutting tool, boron nitride cutting tool, or high speed steel, as per the operation of manufacturing product or cutting a material. Now second slide, metal cutting parameter. In metal cutting parameter, conventional metal cutting processes involves metal reduction by single point cutting tool by using multiple point or abrasive tools. In abrasive tools, which type of materials are used in abrasive tools? Abrasive tools are comes in a grinding processes. Means in a grinding process for cutting a grinding operation or combination of grinding set. In grinding machining processes, the use of material is silicon carbide or aluminum oxides, which these are mostly used in abrasive jet material. The word conventional is used to distinguish the traditional machining processes from non-traditional or unconventional machining processes, which are more involved with chemical, electrical, or thermal energy, which are in the form of chemical, electrical, or thermal energy. Now second, parameter. The machining parameters which come material machinability and cutting tool material. The machinability of a material decides how easy or difficult it is to cut. The material hardness is one of the factors that has a strong influence on the machinability. And the second is the cutting tool material. In metal cutting, high speed steel, carbides are two major tool material widely used, and also ceramic tools and CBN, that is cubic boron nitrides, are the tools material used for machining very tough and hard material. Means which are used for tough and hard material. A tool's hardness, strength, wear, resistance, and thermal stability are the few characteristics of the decide how fast the tools can cut efficiently on a job. Means here is showing some properties of tool material, which is hardness, strength, wear, resistance, thermal stability. These are the some features that decide how fast the tool can cut efficiently on a job. Next, third one is cutting speed and spindle speed. I previously said that the speed which is calculated by using P equal to 2 pi nt upon 60 into 1000, which is in kilowatt. N is a speed in their spindle system. Cutting speed is the relative speed at which the tool passes through the work material and remove the material. Means here is the speed, and how it is to be calculated by using when the spindles are passes through the workpiece and cut the materials, and which the materials comes in the form of chips, small microchips. It is normally expressed in a meter per minute, that is mm, or feet per inch, or in a British units. It has to do with the speed of rotation of the workpiece or the tool. As the case may be, the higher the cutting speed, the better the productivity. Means if the speed is high, there is productivity of output is also high. Now what is productivity? Productivity is nothing but output upon input. That is in a mathematical form. Productivity, that is P equal to output upon input. We also called as efficiency also, that is productivity. Now parameter spindle speed. Spindle speed is expressed in rpm, that is revolution per minute. Means how many revolutions are completed in minutes, that is spindle speed. It is derived based on the cutting speed and the work diameter cut in case of turning of boring machines, or tool diameter in case of drilling and milling machines. If V is the cutting speed and D is the diameter of cutting, then the spindle speed, that is N equal to V upon P into D. In that way we will calculate spindle speed of a machine, that is N equal to V upon P into D. V is the cutting speed and D is the diameter of cutting. Now fourth one parameter is the depth of cut. What is depth of cut? It indicates how much the tool digs into the component which is in mm to remove material in the current pass. Now the fifth one is a feed rate. In feed rate, the relative speed at which the tool is linearly travel over the workpiece to remove the material. In case of rotating tools with the multiple cutting tips like milling cutting, the feed rate is the first recognized in terms of feed per tooth, expressed in millimeters per tooth, that is mm per tooth. Now at the next stage, it is feed per revolution, that is speed, cutting speed feed equal to millimeter per revolution. Now sixth one is a tool geometry. In tool geometry, the tools to efficiently diagrammatic into the component to remove material most efficiently without rubbing the cutting tools tip is normally ground to different angles known as rake angle, clearance angle, relief angle, approach angle. These are all the tool geometry which is used in different types of angle in tooling systems. The role played by this angle in a tool geometry is a vast subject in itself. Now the coolants. What is the function of coolant? For maintaining a product or temperature within a limit in a machining parameters or their machining component. To take away the heat produced in a cutting and also act as a lubricant in cutting to reduce tool wear, means to increases the life of tool by using tool wear. Coolants are used in metal cutting. Coolant can range from cutting oils, water soluble oils, oil water spray, and so on. Now our eighth parameter of machining is machine spindle or spindle power. In the metal cutting machine, adequate power should be available to provide the drives to spindles and also to provide feed movement to the tool to remove the material. The power required for cutting is based on the metal removal rate. The rate of metal removal is given in timely, generally expressed in cubic centimeter per minute, which is depend on work material, tool material, the cutting speed, depth of cut, and feed rate. Now ninth parameter is a rigidity of machine. The rigidity of machine is based on the design and construction of the machine, the age extent of uses of machine, the type of bearing used, the type of construction of slides, weights, and the type of driven provided to the slides all plays a role in the machining of a component and getting the desired accuracy, finish, and speed of production. Now the cutting parameter is over. Now our next component or next part of today's session is machine operation. Which type of machining operations are used in industry and under the trade of machine technician. Machine technicians know the knowledge of various machining processes or their parameter, their cutting speed, their depth of cut, all the processes happening inside the machines in all the conditions or which are in normal condition or in working condition. A machining is a manufacturing process that involves removing material using cutting tools for getting rid of unwanted material from some workpiece and converted into it. Is the shape of you desire size. A large piece of stock is used for cutting the workpiece. The large stock might be in any shape such as solid bar, flat sheet, beam, or even hollow tubes. The process can also be performed on some existing part like forging or casting. Forging and casting, which is in mostly Bharat Forge Industries, or forging operation or casting operations are difficult to operate, but in cases of their all the safety parameters or systems, it is easy to handle and perform in machining operation. Now machine tools, type of machine tools. Which type of machine tools are used in industry? Now we will start with our drilling machine. In drilling process, holders are created in the metal through a circular cylinder. A twist drill is used for accomplishing this task. The 70% of the metal cutting material is removed through the drilling operation. The drill enters the workpiece and cuts as a hole which is equal to the diameter of that tool has used for cutting the holes. Means the cutting parameter or cutting tools material removal rate, which is depend upon the diameter of material or the diameter of drills to be used. The drill enters the workpiece and cut hole which is equal to the diameter of that tool that was used for cutting the hole. A drill has a point end which can easily cut a hole in the workpiece. In a diagram shows some component, that is spindle, chuck, workpiece, and table with wooden back and clamping system. These are the drilling operation which we are know the drilling operation and where it is used. It is common for machining operation. Now the components of drilling machines are over. Now the second operation is turning. In a turning is a basically lathe operation by which the metal is removed from the workpiece outside its diameter using a cutting tool. This operation is performed on a lathe, which is a machine where the workpiece is adjusted and the tool is kept stationary where the workpiece is rotated. Lathes are specifically designed for the turning operations and they help in cutting the metal in the most precise way. The workpiece is placed on the chuck and the machine rotates the stationary tools to cut the unwanted parts from the pieces. Now here is the turning diagram. Here is a detailed showing of turning tools. This is a turning tool. I will show you. This is a turning tool. This is a workpiece, and this is in the form of chips. When tools are moved over the workpiece, there is a cutting. This is a cutting. That is we also called as depth of cut, which has cut the material from here to here. It is the process of turning. Okay, this is a detailed diagram of turning. Now second operation is milling machine. In milling is one of the fundamental operation in machining. This manufacturing process is less accurate than the turning processes because the degree of freedom is high. Milling fabricates the object which is not axillary symmetric. We will discuss in details of diagram. This is a tool. This is a tool. There is the rotation part, that is we will calculate by using spindle speed, that is spindle. this is a workplace, and here is a showing of width of cut, depth of cut, and over the workpiece. That is part of milling machine. Show the details part of working tool piece of milling machine. Now the section of grinding. Grinding process is used for improving the finish of the surface and tightening of the tolerance. By removing the surfaces and removing the remaining unwanted material from the surface, grinding machines are used for the purpose to produce parts of identical shape, size, and finish. We will discuss the diagram. Here is showing a grinding wheel, supported blade, requiting wheel, and in middle there is a workpiece. And also the grinding wheels are used in industry are mostly of silicon carbide and aluminum oxide. These are most two materials are used in their process, that is silicon carbide and aluminum oxide. Grinding process is used for improving the finish of surface and tightening up the tolerance by removing unwanted material from the surface. Now our some frequently asked question from presentation. What is cutting parameter and where it is used? What is process and their parameter? Explain various type of machining operation which is used in industry, and what is milling machine. Now okay, thank you.